Welcome back to Primetime News, and a very special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We begin this evening in Clarendon, where business owners are bracing for more losses with the continued toll-free access for motorists traversing the Williamsfield leg of the East-West Highway. As you will hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, the owners say sales have already dipped to nearly 50%.
The government's announcement about the additional 3 months of toll-free travel on the new segment of the highway has been well received by motorists, but for some business owners in Clarendon,
hearing this now, I really don't even know what to say.
But I'm disappointed, but what to do?
Earlier this week, we highlighted the plight of vendors and small business operators along sections of the toll gate to Osborne Store Main Road, which links Clarendon and Manchester. The vendors said it was the worst December yet. Speaking with our news team on Friday, owner of Murray's Fish and Jerk Hut, Courtney Murray, says sales have dipped by at least 50%, and an extension on toll-free usage to March 31 will only compound matters.
Just hearing now that the toll road will be free for another 3 months really is of concern. Fortunately, we didn't lay off any staff. We just basically tried, because we knew it was only 3.5 months. We would be able to work with it, maybe less hours for the staff to work, but at least everybody will still have their job. Now that it's another 3 months that before the toll road, before we can see what kind of the real impact it would have on the business, is of great concern to us.
Over at the Juicy Patties in Clarendon Park, Juki Chin also pointed to a dip in sales. When asked about whether jobs could be in limbo,
We have other stores that are in the town that are much busier, so we send them to the busier stores to hold the fort until such time. So we're to get a 3-month extension again, so we're disappointed, but we can cope.
in the midst of the uncertainty, both Mr. Murray and Chin agreed on one thing.
We think that the highway is a great, it's great for the country. There's no two ways about it.
It's good for commute. People can get from point A to point B quicker. Goods can move around easier.
So with yet another 3 months to go before motorists start paying on the Williamsfield leg of the East-West Highway, it's a wait-and-see situation for business owners.
We're just in limbo. So we can't know the true impact until I start charging to drive on the highway. Then we can now make a business decision as to the direction in which we go. So until such time, we are basically just in limbo and just hoping for the best.
Business owners believe once a toll is in place, many motorists will again choose the old route, which will bring potential customers back their direction. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.